Okay, stealing Spotify music from Jared.
The animal inside of me is taking over everything. You make me make all my mistakes. You make me go.
There is a simple solution to this. The reason this is happening is because I have my personal Spotify account connected to my Alexa, as well as my laptop, my telephone. And the moment I use one, it boots me off of the other because I can only have one account playing at a time. The simple solution to this is join Spotify Family Plan. We had 3 kids on different Spotify accounts and my own account.
Proceed.
We pay less for combining everybody into one Spotify account and having 6 family members on it.
Show me the money!
Then all I had to do was choose an email account that I'm not using on Spotify and create a family account for Alexa. I guess that makes Alexa a family member. I wonder if I could actually claim Alexa on my taxes as a dependent. Never mind. Now all I have to do is tie that new account that I just created for Alexa onto my Alexa app on my phone so that when I ask Alexa to play any music, it attaches directly to the Echo and begins to play on that device, which is attached to that new family member. Now I've got Alexa set up so that when she plays Spotify music, it doesn't pull from anybody else's account or disrupt the flow of their music that they're listening to.
I don't see how that's a party.
I'm Jared from DIY with Confidence, and I hope that this little hack has been helpful for you in getting some things set up in your smart home. If you find this or any of my other videos useful, please subscribe. In addition, please comment below and I will reply to your comment. Remember, DIY with Confidence is simply helping you and encouraging others to build their confidence in really taking on tasks for themselves. This is something you can do. So I'll see you next time on DIY with Confidence. Alexa, play my favorites on Spotify.
No. Your music is so stupid. Why don't you ever let me choose the music I want to listen to?